HIL is a part of CK Birla Group. The group is a growing US $1.6 billion conglomerate that has a history of enduring relationships with renowned global companies. With over 20,000 employees, 24 manufacturing facilities, the group's business are present across 5 continents. HIL is a leader in building materials domain, and the biggest strength lies in its state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities and unmatched distribution network across India. HIL holds to its credit 22 patents in over 7 countries.
In the manufacturing industry space, we are a continuous process industry, and the kind of opportunities which a new engineer trainee or a new management trainee who comes into the organization, the depth of experiences, the width of experiences which they get in terms of real hands-on experience is very, very diverse.
The best thing of HIL is that it has a complete engineering. So we do from the civil, mechanical, hydraulics, pneumatics, everything.
There is always an opportunity for you to grow, opportunity for you to experiment and innovate so that you become a better business person.
If you go to the ground, you actually know the hard realities of life, how you sell a product. So until and unless you don't know that, you can't make strategies. So they have given me that opportunity. Next week I'm traveling for 3 cities to understand what the problem areas are and where we can improve. This will definitely give me a lot of learning opportunity.
You always have a mentor who takes care of you and who keeps on tracking your progress, and whenever you get stuck somewhere, because being freshers we often get stuck somewhere in projects, and mentors, they support you and they give you guidance, they give you feedback.
Ours is a workplace where we have this beautiful mixture of people with 15-20 years of experience who have lots of knowledge and understanding of the system.
I've been in HIL for the last 32 years, joined as a graduate engineer trainee. Today I'm proud to be heading manufacturing of sheeting division.
HIL is going through a very interesting phase of its life. You know, we are changing the way we are working, we have been working. It's a great inflection point for the HIL. So we are looking forward, moving forward to people with a huge amount of passion, energy and entrepreneurship mindset, people who want to deliver something.
Most important aspect which we are facing, which we are driving, is a collaborative approach. So there is no functional barriers or there's no boundaries across the functions.
As engineers, as management graduates, as you come in, you are expected to have a leadership role in the plant, in the factories, in the business.
Recently I've been also selected for a CEO Circle program. These kind of 1-year programs or 2-year programs to fast track your career growth.
The scope of trial and error, it's allowed. It gives more freedom to the people who joined it.
We can expose our ideas and we can implement. I have implemented wonderful things in designs as well as creating a new design and new equipment over here. I made a bridge to convey blocks into the autoclave, which was a grand success.
My boss empower me and give all the powers to make a decision, to make a job done for a particular task. I'm happy with that part. Empowerment is awesome over here.
A graduate engineer trainee coming into a manufacturing sector and being a female is a tough job, but you get all that support and safety that you require.
The day when I arrived here, hospitality is fantastic.
We basically got to have a lot of fun. So HIL is no place where it is like all work and no play. HIL is not that kind of place. You get opportunities, you get work, and you also enjoy and you have fun. Work-life balance is there.
What I like about HIL is the HR, how they inducted me, how the entire process, starting from my interview. Very professional. Definitely this will stand out as the best for me.
We are not a bureaucratic organization. We believe, we respect the talent, and we go all out to provide huge set of freedom which an individual looks for, huge set of empowerment to the people that breeds not only talent but also hones various skills of those talents and make them successful in their life.
A dedicated team of professionals with customer-centric approach has resulted in achieving business super brand status for HIL and consumer super brand status for Charminar and Aerocon.
In addition to the super brand status, Green Manufacturing Excellence Award, which we are the only company, we are the only brand to have won in this particular category. So here is a place where we allow people to try out new things, try out new hypotheses. We support, and that's what we are looking for in people, that we must think big, think differently, and we are open. And that's one of the reasons why today Charminar and Aerocon have become a very strong brands in their domain, and people recognize them.
HIL is a place which provides opportunities, which provides freedom, and which provides an ecosystem for the talent to test out his capability and become a successful leader.